Hello guys, today we will discuss or in our lecture we will discuss about the value based question which is given on page number 9, and after that we will do the one project work also which is given on the same page number 9. uh, Value based question, there was one question is written, you can see in your book or on this slide also. I took the picture from there. Rohan is a boy and he saw a bird's nest on a tree. Where the birds made the nest, they made their nest on the tree. There were eggs in the nest. And why the birds made their nest? To lay their eggs for further generation. Okay. He wanted who? Rohan. Because Rohan saw a nest on the tree, so he wanted to destroy the eggs because the children have the nature to destroy anything, means they have the fun. But another boy, Amit, stopped him. Amit stopped whom? Rohan from doing so. Means Amit said, no, you should not destroy the nest of bird which is on the tree. Why do you think, sorry, who do you think is correct and why? Means in this question it is asking from you, according to your point of view, which boy, Rohan or Amit, who was correct? Rohan was correct or Amit was correct? If you will say Amit was correct, then why you have to write, means you have to explain. If Rohan is correct, then you have to explain. So I wrote the explanation, then you can write the correct answer. And I'm reading. Rohan wanted to destroy the egg of a bird, so Rohan was not correct. Because birds reproduce by the laying eggs. Those eggs hatched into a baby birds and the generation of the bird will continue in this way. And other side, Amit was correct because he knows the importance of birds. So Amit was correct and Rohan was not correct. On this slide, there is one given project in your book on the page number 9. Here it is asking, some plants do not grow from the seeds. Mostly, if you have the chance to see the farmers or any person who have the kitchen garden in their home, then you saw that basically that person sow the seed in the soil, and from the seeds baby plant come, and that plant get the good condition of weather, water and air, then it grow into the plant. But some plants don't grow from the seeds. Just we cut the stem of the money plant and place in a bottle filled with water. After a few weeks, will form it will form roots and grow. Okay. And other side, we cut the part of a potato. We cut down the part of sweet potato and put in the soil. The new plant of the potato, sweet potato will come like this. So you have to write the some other plants who come out, or the new plants arises from its different parts, not from the seed. See, mostly plants grow from the seed, but some plants grow from their different body parts, like potato plant grow from the stem, bryophyllum grow from its leaves, and carrot which we are eating as a vegetable or as a food, uh, that is the root of the plant. And that carrot, if we will take the upper part of the carrot and put in the soil, then new plant of the carrot will come out. There are so many other plants also, they come out, or the new baby plant come out from their other body parts. Okay. On this slide we can see the bryophyllum leaf. From the margin of the bryophyllum leaf new plants comes out. Yes. And on the right side you can see the picture of sweet potato. From this sweet potato we can get the new plant without seed. On this slide you can see the potato giving out the new baby without any color, means green color. After that there is the plants which come out from potato. Potato is just not a seed, okay, it is the stem of the plant, and from the stem we get the new baby plant of the potato. Further it develop into the plant of potato. Thank you.